Today I'm going to show you how to use the project catalogs to sell your services on Upwork. We're going to create a project catalog here. What we're going to do is go into our profile on the top right hand side. You're going to click on your name. We're going to come down over here all the way to the bottom. I'm going to go past all of this and you will eventually see your project catalog. Here you can click on manage projects and you're going to go onto the left hand side, click on create a project. And here you will have these 6 steps. Very easy, very straightforward. Let's get into it. The first thing is to create a title as well as tags for your project catalog. So go ahead and create a title. This can be whatever it is going to be like. So let's just say, so we've got here, you will get a 1 to 2 minute UGC styled video. I have chosen a category, which is video and audio. And then it's asked me to just choose a project attribute. So it's mobile app or website. You can choose any which one you are going to focus on more. And then your search tag. So this basically will help clients find your project when they're looking for somebody to do this type of work. Let's go and click on save and continue. We're now in the price and scope section, and here we have the option to have 3 different price brackets or just one single price bracket. Now, what you're going to do is add a custom title, a description. You can also go and add delivery days, number of revisions, the running time that this video can be, the number of captions, number of screenshots, and then we have the service tier options. So depending on which, if you are having 3 tiers over here, you can select for the starter maybe just 1 or 2. The next one you can select 3 or 4, and then the last one you can select all of them, and then you're going to give your project a price. Down over here you're going to choose some optional add-ons, so additional revisions. So if you choose one, it'll cost an extra amount of money. So any which one of these you can add in here, and then you can just add in an amount that it's going to cost. So we've got a 1 to 2 minute UGC. We've got a small description here. Delivery day is 1, number of revisions 3. The running time is the 1 to 2 minutes, so total is 2 minutes, 120 seconds. And then we've got screen recording, background music, full HD and ultra HD that it's available in. We're going to go down here and click on save and continue. Here you are going to create a project gallery. This means that you can upload images, you can upload video, and then you can upload sample documents as well. So the only 2 things that are required here is the images and the video. So if you are going to upload, make sure that the images meet these requirements for either these formats up to 10 meg each and less than 4,000 pixels in width or height. So I've got my images in over here. I've also got a video, and then you have the option to select one of these as your project cover. So I've selected this image over here. We're going to go down and we can just say continue. And here you are going to line out everything that is required from your client. So here you can add in requirements and check this box if the client needs to answer this question before you can actually start working. You can add as many requirements in as you'd like. And then we have the steps that you as the freelancer will take to get the project done. So you've got step 1 and the description, step 2 and the description, and so forth. When you're done, you're going to click on save and continue. So quite simply, I've just asked what aspect ratio the video should be shot in, what clothing must be worn, what environment the video must be shot in, and what style, pace, and tone is the video. Then everything is required to be answered before you begin working. Step 1, a first draft will be delivered. Step 2, feedback is encouraged to improve the overall quality of the video. And then step 3 is the revisions are carried out and a final video is produced. Let's click on save and continue. We're now in the project description section, and here you are going to add a project summary, and this will basically be a section where you can explain what really sets you and your project apart from the rest of everybody else that's on Upwork. You can also add some frequently asked questions here. So these are answers to commonly asked questions that clients will have. You can add up to 5, so go ahead and do some research on it depending on what your industry is. I've got my project summary in here. Let's click on save and continue. We are now in the review section. We are going to finalize everything here. So the maximum number of simultaneous projects, how many can you handle at one time and still deliver great results? Let us say 5. There's a copyright notice. You need to also just understand and agree to the terms of services. the privacy notice, and you're going to go ahead and click on submit for review. Let's go ahead and you can click on send to review. Over here, you'll be able to manage where you actually will have your approved, under review, and draft projects.